1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some examples of using play, go, and do. Play is used with ball sports like soccer, tennis, baseball, and basketball. Musical instruments like the piano, guitar, and violin, and for games like computer games, board games, and card games. For example, Tim likes to play rugby. Go is used for activities and sports that end with ing. We use go for running, swimming, sailing, cycling, skiing, bowling, and fishing. For example, she likes to go jogging every weekend. Do is usually used for non-team activities such as yoga, karate, judo, athletics, gymnastics, and ballet. For example, he does archery every day. He is very good at it. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.